everyone, here the question is given as the sum of the magnitudes of two forces acting at a point is 18 and the magnitude of the resultant is 12. If the resultant is at 90 degree, the force of smaller magnitude, what are the magnitude of forces? We have to calculate it individual forces acting. So now suppose consider here in the question it is given as 90 degree. It is in the form force is a vector form. So consider two vectors, nothing but two forces F1 and the resultant is should be as 90 degree. This is the resultant force F1 is the one force and F2 is the another force. The resultant is F. So when compared to these two, F is the resultant value is smaller, means the resultant value is 12, but the two forces acting at a point 18 is 18 and the magnitude of resultant is smaller 12, it is less than the 18. So therefore F is a smaller vector than F1 and F2 and this should be as 90 degree. So now by using of Pythagoras theorem, what happens? That is F is equals to F1 square minus F2 square. Right? So why I have taken this? Hypotenuse is greater than. So either I have to take it as hypotenuse F2 square is equals to F plus F1 square. So therefore then it becomes as F is equals to resultant force F is equals to F square is equals to F2 square minus F1 square, or I can write it F1 square minus F2 square. Either of this we can use it. Right? And in the question it is also given as the sum of the two forces, that is F1 plus F2 is equals to sum of the two forces acting on a point is 18 Newton. So therefore the resultant it is given as 12, that is 12 square is equals to F2 minus F1 squares. So I don't know the value of F1 and F2. To find that, make it F1 is equals to 18 minus F2 or F2 is equals to 18 minus F1. Both are same. So now substitute it 12 square, that is equals to F2 it is written as 18 minus F1 whole square minus F1 square. Solve this. 12 that is 144, that is equals to a plus b whole square formula 18 square minus F1 square plus F1 square minus 2F1 into 18 minus F1 square. So plus F1 square minus F1 square get cancelled. Remaining value is 144 is equals to 18 square minus 2 into 18 F1. So take it this side. 144 minus 18 square is equals to minus 2 into 18 F1. So we'll get it F1 is equals to, and from this F1 is equals to 144 minus 18 square 324 divided by 2 into 18 minus as it is. After solving this we'll get it as F1 is equals to 5. Substitute F1 in this equation 1. So after substituting equation 1, F2 becomes as 13, that is 18 minus 5 becomes as 13. F2 is 13, F1 is 5.